accountant, bookkeeper, virtual CFO, financial coach. What do these all mean and why do I need them for my business? Welcome back to NGMI! Today we're talking about what it means to be an accountant, a bookkeeper, a virtual CFO, or a financial coach, and why you might need none of them. Well, you might need one of them. So what do these actually mean and why do I need them for my business? What's the difference between an accountant and a bookkeeper? And why should I hire a financial coach if I already have a virtual CFO? And why are you here doing this to me? Let's start with the easiest one to define, okay? Accountant. Most people think of accountants just as my CPA or my enrolled agent or my tax preparer, the person who helps me file my taxes so that I don't get audited and thrown into jail by the IRS for all the illegal things that I'm doing. None. I'm not doing any illegal things. That was a joke. But the truth is that accounting is just a vast term that encompasses a ton of financial services. Accounting in itself is just the process of communicating, organizing, and analyzing financial information. So accountants are basically people who can tell you what numbers are, what they mean, and why you should care. Within accounting, we have auditors, we have cost accountants, we have CPAs, we have bookkeepers, we have all sorts of accountants that can be called accountants. So if you're hiring an accountant, really you should ask them what their specialty is, because I guarantee they have one. But what does a bookkeeper do, and how do they fit into the equation? If accounting is the big overarching thing, bookkeeping is just a small sliver of that. Bookkeeping at its core is data entry. It's just categorizing transactions, moving things around so that they make sense when it comes to your financial statements. For example, if you went to Wendy's 50 times last month, your bookkeeper is going to translate that financial information and tell you that you should stop, and then also put it into your meals and entertainment expense account because that's where it should go. Aside from looking out for your arteries, your bookkeeper is just going to help translate the financial information that happens within your business onto those financial statements. It's a component of accounting because it helps with the communication and ultimately the understanding of your financial information because it organizes all of it into one central place. Now, just as bookkeeping is an aspect of accounting, virtual CFOs typically act as an aspect of accounting as well. Now, let me preface this by saying every virtual chief financial officer that you hire is different. So when we talk about what a virtual CFO is, it really depends on who you're hiring and who you're asking. But most virtual CFOs that I've seen do financial analysis. They're looking to help you understand the picture that your business's transactions are painting. They may also help with financial organizational things like implementing better systems, redoing your chart of accounts when it comes to your accounting system, making sure that you have good bill pay systems and good practices financially. Why were sales up last quarter? Why were our expenses down? Why are we paying so many people to go to Wendy's for us 50 times a month? These are all questions that your virtual CFO is going to dive into and ask you and analyze based on history. They're typically associated with understanding what's going on in the past so that you can understand what to do in the future. And finally, we have the financial coach. Financial coaching is, again, another sliver of the full accounting picture. Now remember, every business is different. This might be something that your bookkeeper is already doing, or your virtual CFO is doing, or maybe it's your little sister that you hired to make sure that your business isn't falling off the course. Typically, when I think about financial coaching, I'm thinking about someone who is helping us look on into the future. A great financial coach will help you combine the intuition that you have about your business with real data so that you can make goals and objectives for the future and meet them. These are people that are going to help you take into account what you want for your business, how big you want it to be, how many employees you want to hire, all of these different things that you have goals or dreams about. Your financial coach is someone who can help you achieve them. Business intelligence, the aspect of understanding exactly what's going on in your business from a financial and operational perspective, is extremely important as you grow and scale your business to new heights. And having the right financial professional in your corner can help you do exactly that.
Totally unrelated meme break. Totally unrelated meme break.
So each of these, a bookkeeper, a virtual CFO, a financial coach, these are all just aspects of accounting that are broken out into different names. And sometimes you'll find firms that blend one with the other or all three together, and that's fantastic. But understanding what service does what for your business allows you to make a decision about who you need in your corner. Ultimately, as accountants, we just want people to be successful and to understand their business and to grow and to flourish. We're here to help communicate your financial information so that you get a better understanding of what's going on inside of your business and make better decisions and be better equipped for the future. So hopefully that sheds some light for you on how these different financial services can all fit together or can all just be one and the same. That's what we're here for on NGMI, the show where we talk about lessons that we learned along the way while we build our own accounting firm so that you can learn lessons too as you're building your business. Because we're friends, you know, we're learning friends. That's who we are. So hit that subscribe button and follow along next week while we go over the next video topic, which I haven't thought of yet because I always do these on the spot. Anyways, talk to you next week. You should stop looking out for your arteries, have goals or dreams about Wendy's, and make better decisions. Wendy's is extremely important. Go to Wendy's 50 times a month.